Good morning and happy prom day. Today is my first and last prom. It is senior prom. Obviously I'm a senior in high school and I am gonna be getting ready for prom with you guys. So I am gonna go get some freaking coffee because I am absolutely exhausted and I have a raging headache. So coffee is the answer to all my problems. I'm back home with my coffee. I got my huge peppermint latte. I don't need to get ready until like 2 o'clock because we are taking pictures at 6, reservations for dinner at 7, dance starts at 8. So I really have a while until I'm gonna get ready. So I probably won't talk to you guys for a little while. When I was leaving Kroger, because that's where I go to get my Starbucks. We have an actual Starbucks, but Kroger is cheaper. And Anna was working. So as I was walking out, this really attractive man was driving past, like where people walk out the store, and he smiled and waved at me. I don't even look good right now. Like, look at this. This is not my best, not even close. But I was like, you just made my day, sir. Like, I'm already feeling sad today and you just fixed it. You just made my day. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and watch an episode of WandaVision. Okay, so I look a little different. I took a shower. I did not wash my hair. I washed it 2 days ago, so I brushed it out. But I'm about to do my makeup. So I'm probably just gonna time lapse it because I don't really want to sit here and talk forever and like not be able to listen to music and stuff. So I'm gonna time lapse it. Apparently it's gonna rain now, which is great. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. And then I think Kara's gonna come over and have me do her eyeshadow or something, I don't know. And then I'll do my hair and get dressed. And we were gonna go to the college to take pictures, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that now if it ends up raining. I'm just gonna do my makeup, listen to music, kind of calm myself down a little bit. So, yeah. Y'all, it is absolutely pouring. It is pouring. Can you hear that? That's my life. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup. I'm gonna wait to do my hair because I don't need to do it yet, but this is the makeup, and I am gonna put on a lip, but I don't really want to do that right now. So I did end up putting glitter on my inner corner. The pink is to like match my nails and my shoes, so it's just like a little pop. But I feel like I do this eye look for like everything. Like not the pink, but like the rest of it, like just like a brown smoky eye. But I think my skin looks really nice, so yeah. It is now many days later after prom. Prom was okay, nothing crazy, you know. School dances are not usually very much fun, but after prom was fun, because who doesn't like after prom? But I'll insert some pictures for you guys so you can see the full look. I know I didn't do very good with this video, but it's fine, it's good, it's whatever, it's just a quick little, you know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed what I did actually get. So with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.